Hello, this is part 10, Grenade Fire FX. In this video, I'm going to create a fire special effect so that when the AI bot is killed with a grenade, the AI bot will burst into flames. When the AI bot is killed with a bullet, the AI bot will die normally. To do that, in the first-person projectile, I added this self node to damage causer. This will enable me to determine when the grenade is causing the damage. In AI bot character, I created this blueprint that's called Fire Death Bot. This does the death of the bot when it catches on fire. And I added this code here to the Event Any Damage blueprint. This determines what caused the damage, and if the grenade caused the damage, it'll do the fire death routine, otherwise it will do the normal death routine. Under Content, Anim Starter Pack, UE4 Mannequin, Mesh. Double click UE4 Mannequin Skeleton. Select pelvis, right click, add socket, save. Under Content, First Person BP Blueprints, double click First Person Projectile. This is the exact same blueprint except for this node here. To get this self node, you right click and search on self and select this, and then connect it to damage causer. When you're done, compile and save. Under Content, Third Person Shoot, double click AI bot character, add a variable, I'm going to name this fire holder, search for blueprint fire, select blueprint effect fire, compile and save. Double click AI bot character. This is the Do Fire Death bot that was added to do the death by fire. This is the normal Do Death Bot routine. This particular section here was added for the fire effect, and this was added to destroy the fire actor. So the rest of this code is identical to what is here. To create Fire Death Bot, you right click, search for custom event, and then name it Fire Death Bot. between here and here is the fire routine. I'm going to cover the rest of this first, and I'll go back to the fire routine. This is death_1. Mesh can drag out from here. This delay is the same length of this animation. This is AI bot character, AI bot BT. This location I got from the AI bot character that was in the scene. Fire holder, you can drag out from here. Gun holder, you can drag out from here. This is blueprint effect fire. This fire holder you can drag out from here. This is mesh from here. This is pelvis socket and snap to target and keep relative. When you're done, compile and save. Double click AI bot character. This is the event any damage blueprint. This code here on top is not changed. This is the new code that I added. So damage causer goes to the new code. This is cast to first person projectile. And this pure cast, to convert it to pure cast, right click, select convert to pure cast. Right now it says convert to impure cast because I already converted it. This calls do fire death bot. That's for the fire effect, and this calls do death bot. That's for the standard death effect. When you're done, compile and save. I'll press play to test. First I'll shoot the bot with the normal gun. Ow! 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 So he dies normally. Now I'll switch to the grenade launcher. Now when I kill the bot, he should burst into flames. There he is. And everything seems to be working correctly.